You are driving on a city street and see an emergency vehicle with flashing lights behind you. What should you do? A. Drive to the right edge of the road and slow down. B. Drive to the right edge of the road and stop. C. Stay in your lane, slow down, and let it pass. Correct answer, B. Drive to the right edge of the road and stop. You are driving on the freeway. The vehicle in front of you is a large truck. You should drive A. Closely behind the truck in bad weather because the driver can see farther ahead. B. Farther behind the truck than you would for a passenger vehicle. C. No more than 1 car length behind the truck so the driver can see you. Correct answer, B. Farther behind the truck than you would for a passenger vehicle. You may legally block an intersection. A. Under no circumstances. B. When you enter the intersection on the green light. C. During rush hour traffic. Correct answer, A. Under no circumstances. What is the correct way to make a left turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street? A. Turn into any lane. B. Turn into the far left lane. C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. Turn into the lane closest to the left curb. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog. A. Only if the pedestrian is obeying traffic controls. B. Only if a crossing guard is present. C. At all times regardless of the situation. Correct answer, C. At all times regardless of the situation. A school bus ahead of you in your lane is stopped with red lights flashing. You should A. Stop, then proceed when you think all the children have exited the bus. B. Slow to 25 miles per hour and pass cautiously. C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Correct answer, C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. If a traffic light is broken or not functioning, you should A. Stop and wait for an officer to direct traffic. B. Continue as if it were a four-way stop sign. C. Continue through the intersection without stopping. Correct answer, B. Continue as if it were a four-way stop sign. The safest precaution that you can take regarding the use of cellular phones and driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Keep your phone within easy reach so you won't need to take your eyes off the road. C. Review the number before answering a call. Correct answer, A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. Drive as you would during the day. Correct answer, A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. You must yield the right-of-way to an emergency vehicle by A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. B. Speeding up to clear the lane. C. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed. Correct answer, A. Pulling as far to the right side of the road as possible and stopping. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer, A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. You must carefully watch for bicycles in traffic lanes because they A. must ride facing oncoming traffic, B. could be hidden in your blind spots, C. usually have the right of way. Correct answer, B. could be hidden in your blind spots. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer A. drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. increase your following distance. C. get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer B. increase your following distance. A large truck is ahead of you and is turning right onto a street with 2 lanes in each direction. The truck A. may complete its turn in either of the 2 lanes. B. may have to swing wide to complete the right turn. C. must stay in the right lane at all times. Correct answer B. may have to swing wide to complete the right turn. You are required to wear your safety belt in a moving vehicle. A. unless the vehicle was manufactured before 1978. B. unless you are riding in a limousine. C. and failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. Correct answer C. and failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. You see a signal with a yellow arrow. What does this mean? A. the protected turning time period is ending. B. you should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. you have the right of way to turn. Correct answer A. the protected turning time period is ending. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with 1 lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. help prevent traffic congestion. B. increase your chances of an accident. C. get you to your destination faster. Correct answer B. increase your chances of an accident. You should signal continuously while turning because it A. is illegal to turn off your signal before completing a turn. B. lets other drivers know what your intentions are. C. is required by law within city limits only. Correct answer B. lets other drivers know what your intentions are. You should increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead when you A. are following a small passenger vehicle. B. are being tailgated by another driver. C. are driving more slowly than the posted speed limit. Correct answer B. are being tailgated by another driver. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour, B. 25 miles per hour, C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer C. 15 miles per hour. When making a right turn from a highway with 2 lanes in your direction, you may turn from A. the lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway, B. either lane depending on oncoming traffic, C. the left lane if the other lanes are occupied. Correct answer A. the lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. The speed limit in any alley is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A, 15 miles per hour. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A, maintain your speed and position. B, slow down to let the other vehicles merge. C, speed up to pass the merging vehicles. Correct answer, B, slow down to let the other vehicles merge. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A, slow down and proceed with caution. B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C, proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer, B, stop before entering, then proceed when safe. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A, motorcycles. B, tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C, vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer, B, tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. You want to make a right turn at an upcoming intersection. You should slow down and A, move toward the left side of your lane. B, avoid driving in the bicycle lane. C, signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C, signal for 100 feet before turning. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? A, fines are the same as for other traffic violations. B, slow down only if you think workers are present. C, you must slow for the cone zone. Correct answer, C, you must slow for the cone zone. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A, parking lights, B, headlights, C, emergency flashers. Correct answer, B, headlights. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A, 15 miles per hour, B, 20 miles per hour, C, 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A, 15 miles per hour.